Hi, I'm Satya Narayanan. We review about new Tetris game on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Now we review about new Tetris game handheld LCD electronic game toys. The Brick game is available now from our city warehouse. Description: improve your mental ability with this classic brick game, featuring many variations of the addictive Tetris game. 16 falling speeds, 16 levels of height and 15 different patterns. Pause function with indication. Different sound effect with different motion. Melodies for start and game over. Sound on, off selection. Specification: powered by two AA batteries, not included. Weight: 92 grams. Material: ABS plus electronic components. Color: random. It might also have some cartoon sticker on its body. Please must know this. Just wanted to say thanks for watching my videos and don't forget subscribing to my channel.